So this is how to buy Near Protocol or NEAR Protocol crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once Robinhood is open, down in the middle, there's three different options. Select the magnifying glass icon. Then at the top where it says Explore, Search by name or symbol, go ahead and type in Near. You can either type in the full thing if you want or just type in NEAR. Once it appears, press it. Then at the bottom, press Buy. Then in the top right, if you press market order, you can select to do this in a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Near Protocol. I will keep it at Canadian dollars for this demonstration. Then type in the amount that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do, let's just say $6 worth, you would type in 6 and then press review. Then on this page, you can check out the amount of Near Protocol that you're buying, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Near Protocol crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.